Good day, everyone. Ali is here from Sofi Financial Network. Today is January 18, 2023. Here is daily analysis for US stock market, and here is S&P chart, daily chart. As we expected, January 18 to January 22nd, I posted before that that's going to be my cycle for reversal. And fair enough, we had very nice reversal to the downside. And look at that. So this is the line that we mentioned before. I just want to bold it here now just a bit to see everyone can catch up with this line. And this line is very important. This is at 4014, and look at that. So how market reacted very well to this line. And right now we are just confirming with this downtrend still is valid, and all the moving averages that we are going up and down, it doesn't make sense at all. As you know, that's not going to be my favorite strategy. However, still I have it in my chart. When we have a very strong bearish trend line, something like this, so moving averages are just a confirmation, and any signal against the trend is not valid until we've got a change in the trend line. And right now we're just confirming that this bold trend line, look at that. So this is confirming now. Volume picked up 100 million for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF, confirms that we are getting into a reversal, and probably we are getting support here from this area, which is 38.20.26. Or also I can just tell you exactly, here is the level that I'm looking at for the support, which is 38.48. And probably next 2 days we will get to here, and probably market will find a bounce, but that's going to be a bounce. And still I'm just looking for more downsides for S&P 500. My ultimate level, at least for the month of March, from here to months of March, which is going to be 2 months, is going to be 32 to 3400. So this is my box, and I just put it there. Probably if we get there, so that's going to be very good opportunity for long position. Still we are not there yet, so we are into a top. This is a short-term top, and we expected this one, and probably market is coming down nicely. For the first level is going to be 36.84 if we take out this pivotal low, and the rest is here 3800 and 32 to 3400. That's going to be my ultimate level, as you know. So market will have option expiry for the months of January on Friday, and that's going to be important day for the market as well. So everything is getting on pause, and everyone is waiting for the price action for the Friday and weekly close. However, we are waiting for more downside, and this is my roadmap for 2023. Still we are not there yet for long position. If we get there, so I'm going to be all long. Probably I will let you know in advance in my channel as well. Going to the hourly chart. Here is the hourly chart. Let me just zoom back here. So this is going to be the hourly chart. Remember yesterday I just drew this line for you, and I told you if rec below this line, then sharp sell-off is coming down the road. And look what happened after that. So we just broke below this line, and we just had like a sell-off going back up, back test, a nice sell-off to the downside, and all the way to here to 39.28. Market closed below this pivotal point, and right now we are getting back to this area. So 38.71, 39.11, that's going to be the level. If I want to just give you a precise level, so here is the level that I'm looking for, S&P 500 for a bounce. We are close below SMA 200 in hourly chart. So lots of support is here. So I would say the first level is 39, 12 to 39.17. So that's going to be a good amount of support here. If you break out low, we can see 38.69 to 38.85. That's going to be another level for the market. Here's the demand area, here's the back test, and probably we can go with this one. It's better to to have this. Yeah, it's better to have this. So 38.62, 38.77. So probably this is going to be a good support here. And probably if you want to just take a bounce, a scalping bounce for just a scalping purpose. So that's going to be good area. Like it's going to be just a 15 points with a stop loss, and that's going to be a good area. And this one as well. This one can give you just a 5 points. So it's going to be good for scalping. However, I'm not looking for any long position until we get to 3200 to 3400. Then I will be all long. For now, I will just on the side and probably take some short position. As you know, my trading strategy is always going to see where are we at based on the pivots and based on the trend lines and based on the supply and demand areas. All right, so let's move on to the Nasdaq. So here is the Nasdaq chart, nice bearish trend line, and we expect that market reacted to this level. Look at that. Again, this is not a new thing for me. This is kind of, I was waiting for this area. I stopped out a couple of times, but this happens. But analysis were right. So analysis, it was right. So we closed below SMA 50, just a touch below that. And right now we are just looking for it more downside, probably to 11,200 or 11,190. So that's going to be the level for Nasdaq. Still, I'm looking for a more downside, and probably we are going to lower low. I would say Nasdaq is very, very high probable to take to another lower low. So this is a nice formation of head and shoulder. At least we are going to back test to this triple. Now it's going to be fourth bottom. So this is 1, 2, 3. And if the fourth time is coming here, probably that's going to be very, very nice setup for a short opportunity. And probably that short opportunity leading us to 93.62 to 97.69. So I would say that's going to be very, very possible scenario for Nasdaq. This daily chart is not strong at all. It's going to be the weakest chart that you have seen in among the other indexes. If you want to compare this with Dow Jones, which we are getting to that one just a minute, and you will see how we are expecting Dow Jones react to this bearish momentum and how we are expecting Nasdaq to react to this bearish momentum. So this is a very, very bearish structure is forming for the Nasdaq, probably to lower low for a possible to here, which is going to be the top of the market prior COVID crash. And to be honest, I'm waiting, and I've been waiting for this long time, and that's going to be good buying opportunity, I would say, at least for a decent sizable bounce for Nasdaq. Going to hourly chart. So this is, let me zoom in here. We are getting to the oversold condition in short time frame, but again, this is going to be a short bounce. So I expected a bounce from here, but a market just finished up to 11,417, 18, and just a bounce, just a nice small bounce, which is expected. However, still I'm waiting for more sell-off to go down there. So probably this is the area. So this is the area that I'm looking for a sizable bounce, and probably market will have a hiccup, probably 200-300 hiccup to the upside, and then sharp sell-off is coming for the ultimate low for the Nasdaq. So this trend line has been broken, so we can just delete this one. So all these lines are going to be deleted, and here is the ultimate trench. For now, if we take out this, then this, then this, and I believe as you saw in my daily analysis, we are heading to a lower low in daily charts. So these ones are going to be just a short-term bounce, and those short-term bounce is going to be, I believe, those ones are going to be a good shorting opportunity rather than long opportunity for a bounce. Moving on to Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, just one day, and I would say 2 day, we're ahead from the market. And this is the beauty of coming along with different indexes, different charts. And when you see something like this, and when you see Dow Jones industrial average has been leading the market since this crash, and right now it has a better structure for the upside, when you see Dow Jones is leading, so for sure Dow Jones is going to be your leading indicator gauge. And when you see Nasdaq is positive on Tuesday, but Dow Jones is leading to the downside, as I posted in my channel, Dow Jones is leading, so make sure follow the other indexes as well. If Dow Jones have another red day, which has today, then Nasdaq needs to follow this one as well. And sure enough, Dow Jones headed down to 33,277, and I believe easily Dow Jones will take out this pivotal point, which is just leading to another bounce to 78%. And this is the box that I show you. I'm expecting reversal is coming from this box. And fair enough, we had this downside move for the Dow Jones, and probably Dow Jones is heading down to 31,000 for the first stop, and the second and ultimate level that I'm looking for Dow Jones is this. So this box would be probably the ultimate level for Dow Jones for the low in 2023. And if we get there, I'm telling you, if we get there, I will buy lots of stocks in Dow Jones Industrial, United Health, Apple, Exxon, Oxy, those kind of stocks that are buying in Dow Jones would be great buying opportunity just because Dow Jones is forming a very, very bullish momentum. Dow Jones is the only index that taken out this pivotal high. And when we are coming back to this area, and if it holds this area, that's going to be nice buying opportunity for lots of stocks in Dow Jones. So keep an eye on this, stay tuned, sit tight, and if we get there, if we take out this pivotal low, probably you will see a sharp ugly sell-off to the downside. But again, that's going to be good opportunity for buy, because if you follow up my 2023 forecast, which has put my link here, that's going to be a bullish year for Dow Jones, especially Dow Jones can make a new all-time high, even take out this pivotal high. I know it's a strong and a strange prediction, but I believe based on the formation is happening with Dow Jones will head to new all-time high this year. Again, make sure watch my analysis for 2023, and I explained a lot about the cycles, about the time frames, about the different indexes as well. So here is the hourly chart. So the hourly chart, we are heading to this a nice bounce area. Probably you will see Dow Jones start to find a support here, especially this is a demand area between 33, let me tell you, between 33,115 to this area to 33,275. So that's going to be a very, very nice support area for the Dow Jones, especially when it comes along with this trend line, coming along with this demand area. So that's going to be good buying opportunities. So make sure if you can just take a long position, take a long position in Dow Jones, or go with the strong one, just because Nasdaq right now, Nasdaq still is the weakest index among the other one. Okay, so I think I wrapped up everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.